In today's uncertain economy, the question on every retiree's mind is, how do I protect my hard-earned savings from the next recession? We've seen inflation spike, bank instability rise, and the stock market remain volatile. The truth is, most Americans, especially retirees, are feeling the squeeze. The stress of wondering if their retirement will last is becoming overwhelming. But there's a solution, one that many experts are turning to. Stick around, because by the end of this video, I'll reveal a powerful way you can recession-proof your retirement portfolio, even during these turbulent times. You don't have to look far to find proof of the financial chaos. Headlines today are filled with news about economic uncertainty, from rising inflation rates to increased bank failures. It's enough to make anyone worried about the future. And if you're relying solely on traditional retirement accounts, like a 401k or IRA, well, you're likely feeling the pressure. This is where many retirees, especially those with substantial savings, are turning to a gold IRA. Now, I know what you're thinking. Gold? Isn't that old school? But here's the thing. Gold has been a trusted store of value for thousands of years. In times of crisis, gold often outperforms traditional investments. It's not just a hedge against inflation, it's a hedge against everything that could go wrong with the dollar. In fact, with the way things are going, there's never been a better time to diversify your retirement portfolio. The question is, what can you do now to ensure your wealth stands the test of time? It's about more than just gold, though. A gold IRA gives you access to a secure, stable form of wealth that can grow in a way that traditional assets can't. While stocks fluctuate wildly and bonds yield little in today's market, gold's track record of protecting wealth during downturns speaks for itself. And don't just take my word for it, look at what experts are saying. This shift toward diversifying with precious metals isn't just a trend. It's a movement that could change the way you secure your future. So here's what you need to know. If you have over 100K in an IRA or 401k, you might qualify for a free consultation where we'll dive deep into your specific financial situation. We're offering a no-obligation educational call to discuss how a gold IRA could work for you. This is your chance to explore whether it's the right fit, without the pressure or gimmicks you've seen elsewhere. There's no hard sell, no free silver, just straightforward, personalized advice. At the end of the call, you'll have the knowledge to make an informed decision about your future. And for those of you who have worked hard for your retirement, isn't that exactly what you deserve? A retirement plan that reflects the effort and care you've put into building it. Don't let financial uncertainty rob you of that peace of mind. And here's the secret I teased earlier. The gold IRA isn't just a tool for protection, it's a tool for growth. When you learn how to properly diversify your assets with gold, you might just find that your portfolio grows in ways you didn't expect. Imagine watching your wealth grow, even when everything else is in decline. That's what a gold IRA can do for you. If you're serious about securing your retirement against future uncertainty, I encourage you to take the first step today. Click the link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide and schedule your no-obligation consultation. It's time to take control of your future. Your hard work has earned you the right to a secure, prosperous retirement, and we're here to help make that a reality.